Hi, Yule, Kansas Home Guys down here in South Wichita. Team's been working on this house that we bought, and we got some paint going on. There's quite a bit of debris left behind. Need a lot of work. We've got a new roof already put on the house. The roof is totally shot here, and so it's been replaced. And we're just gonna take a quick walk through. Mostly just been doing the painting, got the kitchen painted, and most of the house is all painted, ceiling and walls and everything. I'm just doing a quick pop in, checking in on things, and things are looking great. Progress is awesome.